Today we're going to bring a safe, and this could be used for gun safe or jewelry safe, anywhere you want to set up. This actually comes with the bolts that you can mount it underneath your bed or on the side of the bed, pretty much anywhere. They include the batteries, through the keys, and we're going to take a look at it in the inside. First of all, I'm going to show you a couple of things what you can do with this. All right, the actual safe, there's a couple ways you can open it. You could use the keys, and they include two keys, and the key hole is right here. Or you could do code 1, 2, 3, 4. There's different codes that you could set up, all right? Or fingerprint, any finger you want to do. So today we're going to set it up. First of all, we're going to install the battery so we can start programming it and doing the default setup, all right? So let's go ahead and unlock it and see what you can do with it. All right, when you get it, all the contents are inside the box. So in order to unlock it with the keys, you just have to get the key, and it's a weird key. If you guys can see, has a little weird shape, but it's perfect for keeping it secure in case you forget your code or your batteries run out. This is another way you can enter. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna unlock it. So once you set up the key, make sure you put it on all the way. Twist it to the left, all right? Twist it counterclockwise. Right now, there's nothing in there. We did take out the actual base in here, and we're gonna go ahead and remove the keys, and we're gonna set up all four batteries. The four batteries go on the right hand tree. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. You get the batteries inside, and you want to unlock it with the keys. You can do it with the keys counterclockwise to actually open it up. The default password is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and it opens up automatically. And of course, there's a little LED light now that you have it set up. Now, there's a little button here that you need to know about it. Once you unlock it, you're going to be able to program a fingerprint. All right. So you hold down the button until it turns green. All right. You're going to see it turning green. There it goes. Put your finger in there that you want. All right. So in order to set up a program your fingers, you got to hold down the button until all the lights turn blue. And it's going to ask you to go ahead and put your fingerprint. You're going to have to do it 3 times. All right. You have to do one and it's going to beep. You have to do it again, two, and it's going to beep. And you do it again, it's going to beep. So once you got that down, you're going to be able to close it. You can open it with your keys. You can open it with the lock, with, with the code itself, with the keys, or with your fingerprint once you program it. So very simple to install. Now, I like that everything is included, the batteries, the Allen wrench, and so forth. You can modify this to whatever you like. Right now, there's a little light in here, LED light. It lights up for a couple minutes and then shuts off. So very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.